On behalf of the Minister and the Permanent Secretary, the senior managers of the Ministry, I would like to thank the Ministry of Information for giving your time to be part of our preparation for the deployment to Lau. Overall, this deployment will be covering the whole of Lau. There will be 3 vessels going to Lau, Iloilo Watu, which will be covering Oneata Island right down to Onoi Lau, and the other one is the Webueti, will be the central Lau, including Lakemba, Watu, Nayau and Tubuda, while the other vessel Vunilangi, Esa Samoala, will be in Wanobalau. Basically, this is to support the communities of Lau through the damage assessment report from the agriculture, which is an estimate to 80 to 90% of damages to the crops. So the government is helping them in terms of food ration, and also will be conducting DDA with government officials from different sectors and other services that will be provided during the tour. Roughly an estimated of 21 days for the 3 vessels. Approximately, we are trying to cover all the island on the expected time, leaving tomorrow morning for all the 3 vessels. Yes, we have standard food items provided by the National Disaster Management Office, NDMO. Consists of sugar, rice, flour, the basic food with some thin stuff, milk, dal, and other items that you can see the team are currently working on. From the past years, one of the challenges that we always have in our divisional emergency operations center is our communication. With the improvements of communication now, having Starlink with the DigiSat and other services that are on the island, we are much more faster this year in terms of our initial damage assessment from the teams on the ground. We are very thankful with our teams from Wanobalau, Lakemba, the main centers in Moala, linking with our other government teams on the ground on the damages that are reported by them, and even the Turangani Koro and the maternity kinaduro the Itoki FS. So for us this year, which we say across during our meeting with relevant teams stakeholders, we are very lucky this year that we have improvement in terms of communication. So far, only one major damage that we received from Vivia, the Vivia Causeway, the jetty, which was right now it's 80% damage, which cannot be accessed by other communities, even other vessels. So our plan for now will take the Vunilangi to cut the machine from Wanombalabu to Vivia to fix the causeway. We are prepared. The government is prepared to assist those in the hard to reach area like Lau during this maybe very challenging for us, but for sure we'll be there to supply rations and other services from our teams from Red Cross, Empower Pacific, whole of government that will be there to assist them in whatever way we can during this period.